Welcome, it's day 13, month of July challenge. Day 13, we are in Mission, BC, Canada. The history of fruits and berries here is a rich one. It's a story that begins with the indigenous peoples who first inhabited the area. They cultivated and harvested native berries for sustenance and medicinal purposes. Their knowledge of the land and its bounty was passed down through generations. In the late 19th century, European settlers arrived in Mission. They brought with them fruit trees from their homelands. They planted apple, pear, and cherry trees, which soon thrived in the fertile soil of Mission. These settlers also discovered the abundance of wild berries in the area, including blackberries, raspberries, and the native salmonberry. The 20th century saw a boom in commercial fruit farming in Mission. Orchards sprung up across the region, and the town became known for its high-quality produce. Farmers began to experiment with different varieties of fruits and berries, leading to the diverse and vibrant local agriculture scene. Today, Mission is home to a thriving fruit and berry industry. Local farms offer a wide variety of produce, from traditional apples and pears to more exotic fruits like kiwis and figs. The area's wild berries are also a popular draw, with locals and tourists alike flocking to pick their own in the summer months. Join me tomorrow as we continue our journey through time and explore more of the fascinating history of fruits and berries in Mission. See you then.